Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time joining my channel, thank you so much for coming around to watch my video. And if you're part of the family, you've subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for coming to watch this video again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with this particular website, secret website that no one is talking about. How you can make money just listening to audio and you're earning thousands of dollars on monthly basis. Imagine that. So I'm going to be showing you the website right in. So if today is the first time coming across my channel and you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this that will earn you more money online. So let's dive into it. This website I want to show you, I'm going to be showing you the name as we proceed in the video. Now you can see from here it says fast, accurate transcription services. All right, get your audio and video files subscribed by the large market of experienced transcribers, guaranteed to be 99% accurate. All right, so if you go down here, you can see how much they charge people coming on this website to put a job like, oh, I need somebody to listen to this audio and bring out the transcription from it, or bring out the script from this video. You know how much they charge. They say human transcription, they charge $1.50 per minute. $1.50 per minute. Imagine that. Convert your audio or video into text with 99% accuracy by a professional. That is 1.50 cents per minute. All right. Then English closed captions. Here we have 1.50 cents, $1.50 per minute. All right. Add English subtitles with 99% accuracy to your videos. 99% accuracy to your video. I'm going there. Just hold down and watch this video. Right now, this one's a global translated subtitles, $5 to $12 per minute. Translated on screen subtitles for videos with 99% accuracy. All right, then trusted by 750,000 happy users. All right, so this websites, there are countries that are not allowed, so I'm going to show you how to bypass that. All right, so let's go. How do you sign up as a freelancer on this website? How do you sign up? That you can do this if you have enough time to do this. This is one of the coolest way to make money online. So if you can listen to audio and just convert it to and bring out the text from the audio, or the caption or the subtitle from the audio, man, this is for you. All right, so how do you sign up on this website? If you go to the very last part on the page of this website, you are going to see become a freelancer. That is the button you are going to press, and once you press this button, you are going to fill the form to be a freelancer. So when you click on this button that say become a freelancer, there's something you're going to get, right? You're going to see something like this that say we are not currently accepting application from your location. Learn more. So they are not accepting people from this location that I'm in currently. I'm in Nigeria, so that shows that people in Nigeria cannot actually do this work. But I'm going to show you how to bypass this. I don't want you to go anywhere. Just watch this video to the end. All right, so when you see something like this, what you need to do, let's go further to see some things here. Now they said transcriptionist, that the person that is transcribing the work, the transcriptionist, and the range of 0.30 cents to $1. So let's say they've charged somebody $1.50 and they are giving you $1.10. That means they only kept 40 cents for themselves. All right, that is the transcriptionist. That's how much you're going to be earning per minute. All right, per minute, per the audio. You can see per audio or video minute. All right, so let's see this one, the captioners. The captioner, if you're a captioner, you're going to earn the same amount of money that transcriptionist is earning. All right, so now that you are not allowed as a Nigerian to sign up on this website, what do you do to be a part of this huge freelancing website to make money for yourself? What do you do? Now what you need to do is you're going to go to your Play Store and get a VPN called Thunder. You're going to go to your Play Store. Now I'm going to go to my Play Store right now. Then I'm going to search for Thunder VPN. So you're going to search for Thunder. All right, that's why I say you should watch this video today. Thunder VPN. All right, you can see this Thunder. You're going to do what? And click on install. When you install it, then you're going to choose a location that is acceptable. All right, the location that they are going to accept, that's the country, that's the location you're going to pick. So guys, if you're here to subscribe on this channel, this is the first time you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button right here and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. All right, so if you've gotten any value so far, give this video a like and I will appreciate that. All right, so we're waiting for the Thunder. Now Thunder is about to fire. All right, now our Thunder has been installed. What you need to do next is to click on open. Once you click on open, you're going to select the country that you want to actually, so click on accept. When you accept that, you accept their terms and condition. All right, so you accept that and you wait for it to pop up the countries available on Thunder. All right, so let's do that. Now you can see this monthly plan is 4,160 naira. The yearly plan is 25,000 naira. So what I want to do right now is to just click on the cancel button and click on connect here. Right, so once I click on connect, I'm going to say okay. So it's going to ask me to pick the country that I want. Now right now it's automatically connected to a particular country, which I don't really want that country. So what I need to do right here is to just go ahead and select a perfect location for myself. So how do I select perfect location? All I need to do is to click on this button right here. Okay, once I click on it, it's going to give me an option to other locations. So what I need to do is to pick USA or United Kingdom. So I'm going to pick USA, then it's going to reroute it and reconnect to it. So I'm going to say allow it, and I'll allow that again. So right now the VPN has been connected. So let's go back to the website. All right, right now on the website, what I need to do right now is to refresh. All right, you can see right here it's showing me that I can now become a freelancer with this. So what I need to do is to do what? Put in my first name, my last name, my email, then my position, then my select my country. Once you do that, click on next. Then you are going to get to a place that is going to ask you to fill in some short like 100 words to describe who you are. And you need to be very careful. You need to understand what you're saying. You need to be able to write the correct English and make sure you put in there your grammar, because they are looking for grammatical error. When they see any grammatical error, they are not going to allow you into the platform. So the platform, and another website you can actually use is to make sure you go to ChatGPT. When you go to ChatGPT is going to help you to make sure it gives you the better description of yourself without any error, with all the grammar, with all accuracy. That is what you need. So quickly, let's fill this form and we are good to go. So first name, I'm going to put in my first name right here. Once I put in my first name, I'm going to put in my last name. All right, so I'm going to put in my last name. I'm going to put in my email address. Then I'm going to select the position. I want to be a transcriptionist or captioner. So I'm going to say transcriptionist. Then I'm going to select my country. I'm not going to pick Nigeria. I'm going to pick United States because that is the country I have. That's the location I'm currently using on the VPN. Don't forget. All right, so I'm going to say United States. All right, so once I pick United States, then I'm going to pick one location from United. Let me see, Alabama. I'm going to pick Alabama, then I'm going to click next. Once I click next, then we are good to go. Once I click next, and it's going to show me the next thing. We've sent you an email. All right, they've sent an email to the email I've submitted here. So I'm going to quickly go to my email. I'm going to go to my email then and get the email address right here. All right, so I'm going to do that right here. So I'm going to refresh my email. All right, refresh my email, and boom, I have REV. So I'm going to click on this REV. I'm going to click on the REV and then continue your application. So I'm going to click on continue. It's going to take me back to, it's going to take me to the site again. So one thing you need to know is that once you click on the link in your email, they are going to say, unfortunately, you are not allowed to do what? You are not allowed to complete the application on your phone. So you have to complete the application on your laptop or your desktop. So what I need to do is to change my phone to desktop mode, and let's try if it's going to work. All right. So now that I've changed my phone to desktop mode, is working perfectly. So what I need to do now, they're going to tell me that welcome, we're excited that you have decided to apply to become a freelancer, a transcriptionist with REV. Before we begin the application, here are some frequently asked questions to help you understand what it's like to work at REV. Just go ahead to start your application, right? So click on start application, then it's going to show you the next thing which you're going to do. So the next thing I want to do right now, I want you to stick around and don't go anywhere, because this is going to be a very nice one. So you're going to tell them the background of your education. Please answer each question honestly. Your response will help REV understand the demographic of the prospective REVers and better meet your needs. Your responses will not impart how your skill are evaluated in the following section. All right, so what you need to do right now is to make sure you just fill this one. What's your highest level of education? You're going to put it there, bachelor. How many years of work experience do you have? You're going to say 4 to 3. You're going to just put your own thing there. Okay, please select if you have experience working in any of the following institution: administrative, supportive, customer service, education, academia, engineer, finance, health, marketing. So I'm going to say marketing and technology, and I'm going to say engineering. And then second one, please select the topic that interests you: business, education, entertaining, sports, and science, religion, politics, sports, science, religion. So you're going to select them according to what you interest you. All right. Do you have prior experience in transcription? Yes, I do. What is your current employment status? You can say part-time, then you're going to say next. All right, you're going to click next. So I want to walk you through it. All right, so next, once you click on next, and then we are good to go. Right. So if you have gotten any value so far, kindly do what? Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give this a like. All right, now this is where I was talking about that you're going to ask you such short question, and you need to be very sure what you're putting here. All right, you need to make sure your English is correct, your grammar, everything you're doing here is well articulated. All right, so now what you need to do next is please answer the following short answer question to the best of your ability. Why do you want to work for REV? Why do you want to work for them? Then what's your favorite hobby and why are you passionate about it? All right, where did you most recently vacation and what did you do? Your recent vacation, what did you do? So here you're gonna feel all this thing. All right, so that's why I say you need ChatGPT to help you so that you won't make any error. So you're gonna ask ChatGPT, why do I want to work with a REV transcription company? So I'm gonna copy this. All right, copy this this part. All right, copy, then go to ChatGPT and do what? Fill it. So I'm gonna go to ChatGPT right now. You know, ChatGPT is OpenAI, chat.openai.com. You're gonna do that and click on sign in. I'm gonna sign into my account. If you don't have an account with ChatGPT, just go ahead to sign up. So go to this description box. I'm gonna be leaving this ChatGPT link and the link to the site. All right. So once I click on sign login, so it's gonna ask me to log in my account. So right now that you're in ChatGPT, what you need to do now, I'm gonna click on this send message. I'm gonna paste that thing there. Write me why I need to work for it. So let's try that. So ChatGPT, I've just told ChatGPT to write me why I need to work for REV company. So ChatGPT is saying flexibility. REV offer flexibility work arrangements, allowing you to choose when and how you want to work. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to compose that in my own way. So I'm just going to take all of these things and match them to make it word for myself. All right, so I'm going to do that real quick and I'll be right back. All right, so all right, after which you've gone to ChatGPT to do all your writing and all, you've given this your short description, why you want to work with them, and what is your favorite hobby and why are you passionate about it. Then you've already gone to write about where do you most recent vacation and what did you do. All right, so then you're going to click on this button that say next terms and of service. So you're going to click on it, next terms of service. All right, so if you're yet to subscribe, can you do so by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and give this video a like so that YouTube can help us push this video to more people. All right, so here you're gonna see this almost done. Please carefully review the service agreement and acknowledge your agreement before submission. Just make sure you read through all of this. If you don't read through, you won't be able to take those things out. So just go down and read through it. All right, at the last part, now you can click on this button, then click on submit. So you've submitted your application, then you're gonna wait for a second. You're gonna see this message that say thank you for taking the time to submit your application. We know it was a lot of work and we appreciate your effort, and we will review your application as soon as we can. You should receive a confirmation email from us shortly. Sometimes this email will go to your spam, promotions, or junk email folder. In order to ensure that you receive future communication from us, please make sure to add us to your wish list. All right, so what you need to do right now is that you're done. So you're going to expect them to approve you, which is simple once you put in those words correctly and you are very sure. So they are going to accept you into the system. You can start listening to audio and make money by doing those transcription job. The name of this website is called rev.com. So I'm going to put the link in the description box of this video so that you can just go ahead and sign up with them. All right, if this video has helped you one way or the other, kindly do so by subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell, and make sure you give this video a like so that YouTube can help us push this video to more people like you. If you still want to make more money online, this video can actually help you to make more money online. And thank you till I come your way again. Bye for now.